Welcome to the video. Welcome to the channel. I'm Shane. I had a request from a subscriber. His name's Willie, and he watched the recent video, one of my first videos, where I was removing the brake light switch in my 04WJ. And he asked if there was a part 2 to the video showing installation of it. So today we are going to do the whole video all over again. We're going to uninstall the brake light switch and reinstall the brake light switch. So the previous video that I had like almost a year ago will be updated in today's video. So stick around, enjoy the show. So yeah, here we go. I'm gonna go all up in here inside. I already got a light set up in here. So today, if you haven't seen the previous video, and I will share a link to that video in the description. But here's what we're going after today. Excuse me. So right here is the brake light switch. This dude, all it does is twist. You twist it and it comes straight out. Push the brake forward, twist, and that's it. And then you unplug these and go get a screwdriver. I'll be right back. So, here's what we got. Let me see if you can see. Right here, these two little tabs. I gotta get my glasses. These two little tabs right here. Just push up. Push up on those two little tabs. This is the worst part right here. Getting this plug out. And that's it. So there's your brake light switch. That piece goes in there. You twist it back in there. This was a junkyard piece. Some guys on the one guy in the comment said that you can't reuse these, but I don't see why you can't, because I don't know. Don't make sense to me. Sounds like somebody's trying to make money on him. So now the reinstall. So you plug this back in, just like so. Push the brake pedal forward. There's a little, let me give you a better view here. So there's a little notch right there, and if you can see it right there, there's a notch in the middle. So you gotta line that notch up, get your wire back up in there. Just like so. Then you twist it back to the left. We're all good. That's it. That's all it is to it. I'll show you, the brake lights are off. Now I'll go push the pedal. That's all there is to uninstall and reinstalling brake light switch on a 04WJ. All the double J's from 99 up to 2004. I think a lot of the Durangos and Dakotas, I think they all do the same thing. I mean, if you go to the junkyard, you can double check, but I'm pretty sure at least the Durangos and the Dakotas have the same brake light switch. Chrysler probably uses that brake light switch in all of them. I haven't double checked. Let's go out here and look at my 2020 Grand Cherokee and see if they still. Let me grab my light. See if they still use that same switch. I doubt it. This stuff is got so much computer stuff in it. This is a 2020 Cherokee. We'll look up in here and see. Nope, it's different. I figured it would be. Well, I might be mistaken. That dude, I ain't pulling it out, but it looks like it's to be installed the similar way. But so that's a pretty simple switch install. Like I said, one guy in the comments said that those switches weren't reusable. That switch has been in there for about 5 months. Well, no, I take that back, a year. Or whenever that video was. I can't remember when I have to go back and look when I uploaded that video, but pretty much a couple days after I installed it, I uploaded the video. But yeah, that's a simple fix. So Willie, hope this video helps you out, and if anybody else got any questions or suggestions that they would like to see on my 04WJ or my 2020 Cherokee, which I'm not digging into that too much. I only got 39,000 miles on it. Most of it done on is oil changes. So, and Willie, thank you for your comment, and I hope this video helps you and your son out with your 04WJ that you just recently got. And if you have any other questions, feel free to ask, write a comment. Anybody else out there need something showed more detail on the WJs, just let me know. I'll do my best to walk you through it. So until the next time, you have a great day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Shane out. Later. Bye.